Studying the Buddha's teachings should follow a proper sequence. This is like the sequential steps of education. Elementary school, middle school, and university are for students with different levels of knowledge. It never works that a first grader takes lessons originally designed for third-year university students. Many people haven't yet comprehended the Dharma properly and have little knowledge about the proper sequence, so they believe it is better to hear and practice the highest teachings first. Some so-called Vajrayana practitioners find preliminary practices of Engendro too demanding because it takes quite some time to complete. Therefore, the practitioners want to take a shortcut. For example, some students somehow manage to receive the highest empowerment from the Guru, so they are eligible to listen to the highest teaching of the great perfection. By doing so, they hope to attain realization in no time. However, this is unrealistic. It is like building a mansion over an ice-covered lake, a building that will collapse when the ice melts in the spring. Similarly, if you don't build a solid foundation from the bottom, you can barely reach the higher states of your Dharma study and practice.